I'm Urvashi Chawla and I'm a career strategist by profession. During any interview, the very common and the very basic question asked is tell me something about yourself. Now you need to understand that this question is an incredible opportunity for you to differentiate yourself from the rest of the candidates. So when you're preparing for your next interview, you might want to make a list of all things that is unique about you. Something that will tell the interviewer about your personality, about who you are, what are your beliefs, what are your values, anything. So you can talk about if you're ambitious, you can talk about how you plan your career goals. You can show your interviewer that you're visionary by sharing your vision for the society. Anything that will show the interviewer about your personality, about who you are and what makes you unique. Now the next thing you want to do is ask yourself, what is it about me that the interviewer cares about? Now, any interviewer usually cares about how you fit for the job. So in your answer, you might want to include your experiences or talents that you possess that will fit the job that you're applying. Let's say you're applying for a sales job. So there you might want to include part of your story where you sold products in your college or how you helped publicize about your cultural fest. Anything that shows how your skills or experiences are relevant to the job that you're applying to. Now keeping these two things in mind, I'm pretty sure you can structurize your answer before your interview. And if you need any help with that, feel free to connect with me on any of the social media or write to me at connect@urvashichawla.com and I'll be there to help you as much as I can. Thank you.